What up? Welcome back. We're going to switch gears today and learn about digital inputs and booleans. We'll be wiring a button switch to a breadboard and then using the output from that to turn on and off the onboard LED. Let's start by making the circuit. We'll need a breadboard, a button, and 2 wires. The button will tie the Arduino Nano's ground to digital pin 2 when pressed. Here's what it's going to look like. The button goes across the middle of the breadboard. One wire goes between one terminal of the button and ground of the Nano, and the other wire will go to the other terminal of the button and to digital pin 2. The reason why we tie the input to ground is so that we can utilize input pull-up in our program. This is beneficial because our sensor, the button, is a kind of passive input and could leave a floating voltage when pressed and let go. The input pull-up ties a resistor to the input line, which pulls up the voltage to 5 volts, which the Arduino reads as high or true. When we press the button, the digital pin is tied to ground when reads low or false. But the catch, of course, here is that our logic is inverted. When we press the button, we want it to read high, and when we have our finger off the button, we want it to read low. Let's look to the program for how to deal with this mix-up. So we'll do a kind of standard setup for this type of program. We'll set pin mode of 13 as output. That's our onboard LED. Then we'll set pin mode of 2, our input, as input pull-up. And this is to access the functionality I was just describing before. Sweet. Now in the loop, we'll instantiate a Boolean variable. Let's call it boo, and set it equal to the digital read of our input, which is on digital 2. Finally, we digital write to pin 13, which is the LED, the value of boo. Here's the catch though. To invert the switch, we have to use the not operator, signified here as an exclamation point, as in many programming languages. All the not operator does is flip the Boolean value from true to false or from false to true. So now we have the correct sequence, which is when we press the button, the LED will light up, and when it's not pressed, it won't. Let's upload and check it out. Sweet, all good. You can see here that when I press the button, the little LED lights up. Next time we'll add another button and we'll learn about truth tables. See ya.